Hey, how's it going? It's Neil from the Pentatonic Way, and in this video we're going to check out Wave 4 of the Blue Sky lesson. Alright, let's check it out. Alright, cool. So let's check out the scales we'll be using for Wave 4 of the Blue Sky lesson. For that voicing we're using for E major down here. We were using the fourth shape of the pentatonic scale. And that's what we're going to do here. And then we're going to this chord voicing, and we're going to use over that A. We're going to use that second shape of the pentatonic scale. Now for the next E, we're going to jump into the primary shape for this E voicing that we're using, and that starts on the 7th fret. And for the A chord, we're going to be using one that we haven't used in any of the ways here, which is the third shape of the pentatonic, and that's the secondary shape for this voicing, and that starts also on the 7th fret. So you can see between those two, you have those two moving notes there. See? Alright, cool. Now, that was for A, and we have another E coming up. So we can still kind of base it off of this voicing, the third major chord voicing, and we're going to use the first shape of the pentatonic based on the 9th fret. Right? Cool. And then for the next A, we can think of it as this voicing. It's the second major chord voicing based on that 12th fret A. And for that one, we're going to use the fourth shape of the pentatonic, which also starts on the 9th fret. Cool. And for the final two, the final E here, we can think of it as like this first major chord voicing, and for that we're going to use the second shape of the pentatonic. Right. And last but not least, for that last A, based on the 12th fret here, it's that third major chord voicing, we're going to use the primary shape for that voicing, which is the fifth shape of the pentatonic, based off of that. Alright? So let me see if I can make a little music here for you guys, as usual. Bear with me. Without a backing track, I get a little lost sometimes, because I'm thinking, oh, am I looking cool on video? Does it sound good? Should I do a fast lick? Or I do a fast lick and I forget, like, whoa, what's the next chord? So... here we go. I'll try it up here. Something like that. The last part I was just making up on the spot. Cool. Alright, cool. So there's the scales we'll be using over Wave 4 of the Blue Sky lesson. Moving around the neck is more typical of the way I'd solo. I just kind of move from one shape to the other rather than stay in one spot. But it's important to practice ways 1 and 3 so you can get used to staying in one spot and seeing things change. And you'll find these little way sections along, and you can jump from one way to the other as you get more used to it and more familiar with it and stuff like that. So if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Reach out to me. Record yourself in the flip grid so I can leave you feedback, and I'll see you in the next lesson. All right, take care. Bye-bye.